Good morning, students. I am Savita Alfred. Welcomes you e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Students, today I am going to teach you Standard 6 Subject English poem After the Storm. So, let's start poem After the Storm. So, students, today I am going to teach you poem After the Storm. It is written by William Wordsworth. Let's know about William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth was an English poet who loved nature and considered it as a living personality. He has written many poems which describe the beauty of nature. Here in this poem, he describes one of nature's moods. The joy felt by birds and animals the morning after a stormy night. So now let's start our poem. There was a roaring in the wind all night. The rain came heavily and fell in floods. But now the sun is rising calm and bright. The birds are singing in the distant woods. Over his own sweet voice the stock dove broods. The jay makes answer as the magpie chatters, and all the air is filled with pleasant noise of waters. In this paragraph, the poet says it was stormy night. So the wind was blowing very loud and roaring. Roaring means very loud sound. So the wind was blowing very loud all night because it rained heavily. And the rain turned into flood because there was a storm all the night. But now it was morning time after the stormy night. Stormy night. Stormy night means tufani raat. Now the sun has come out and it was shining brightly. And students, in the morning you must have noticed when the sun rises the birds starts chirping. So the birds were singing in their sweet voice in the distant woods. Distant woods means घने जंगलों में. The stock dove roots means the poet has used many name of birds like stock dove, jay, magpie, and these are birds of different kinds thought of by the speaker as different persons as indicated by the use of capital letters. इस पोएम में आपने देखा होगा स्टॉक डव, जे, मैगपाई सबको कैपिटल लेटर से पोएट ने डिफरेंट काइंड्स के बर्ड्स को शो करने के लिए एज अ डिफरेंट पर्सन्स एक विभिन्न व्यक्तियों के रूप में दर्शाया गया है. एंड ब्रूड्स मीन्स द बर्ड सिट्स ऑन इट्स एग्स टू हैच देम. ब्रूड मीन्स अंडे सेना. सो द स्टॉक डव ब्रूड्स. स्टॉक डव अंडे से रही है. एंड जे मेक्स आंसर. जे मेक्स आंसर मीन्स आंसर्स और रिस्पॉन्स. Jay bird is responding or giving answers to magpie bird as they were talking. Chatters means talking. And all the air is filled with pleasant noise of waters. Pleasant noise of waters means आनंददायक आवाज of waters. Waters means river, lake, ponds. So the sound of ponds, rivers and lakes is filled in the air. Now next paragraph. All things that love the sun are out of doors. The sky rejoices in the morning's birth. The grass is bright with raindrops on the moors. The hare is running races in her mirth, and with her feet she from the plashy earth races a mist that glittering in the sun runs with her all the way wherever she doth run. So, in this paragraph, poet tells us all things. All things means all creatures. All birds, animals have come out from their homes. And all nature, all atmosphere are rejoicing in the new morning. The sky is also rejoicing in the new morning. The grass is also shining due to raindrops. On the moors means a wide open area of high land. The hare is running races in her mirth. Mirth means merriment, joy, खुशी से. So the rabbit is running happily, and with her feet she from the plashy earth. Because she was running happily, so she was making the earth plashy. Plashy means with pools or puddles of water. So she was splashing the water of pools. पानी गिरने की वजह से छोटे छोटे गड्ढों में पानी भर गया था, जिसमें खरगोश के छलांग लगाने से वह पानी स्प्लैश हो जाता है. Earth raises a mist that glittering in the sun runs with her all the way. So the hare's running feet throw up a small cloud of water drops, and this shines in the sunlight and follows the hare as it runs. And all the way wherever she runs. She doth run. She doth here, doth means old word for does. So wherever she runs, so the hare's running feet throws up a small cloud of water drops. This shines in the sunlight and follows the hare as it runs, and all the way wherever she runs, wherever she goes. So students, today I have taught you poem After the Storm. I hope you have understood it. So write down this poem and word meaning in your classwork copy and learn it. Thank you.